I just checked in page 10 hotel in Soi 10, Pattaya. Pretty cool room actually. I'll show you around now. So it's as usual, it's digitalized. Like put a key card, will turn on, and once you get in on your left, you get the whole bathroom. It's actually pretty big. So you got bathtub, full size, and you actually have see-through room. See, you can actually open and you can close as well. So this is open, but if you want, so you can close the whole things. See, you can close it. So that's pretty cool. And as usual, towels in there. What else? Hand wash. They give you brush, shower cap, cotton bud, glass toilet. So this cabinet, you got bathrobes, I think that's it called. Your hair dryer, you got wet scale, you got a pair of slippers. Oh, the umbrella too. And the shower is a rain shower, looks like it. I also have a handheld shower too. You get shampoo, bath gel, conditioner. So that's it, pretty much. Now there's a wall, and in here you get decent size fridge with 2 complimentary water. You get safety box to keep your belongings, and complimentary get tea, coffee, that's nothing, and kettle to warm the water. The bed is pretty big actually, and it's pretty thick. The mattress is pretty thick. The light is a bit low, so this is the light. You can't make it brighter than this. So, and good thing is this all this digitalized, so you can turn right on, aircon, everything. Okay, telephone, lots of pillows, TV. You have study table. If you work from overseas, you can use this table as a work desk. Small table to keep your foods. Sofa, smaller one. And got a balcony. Let me check. I'm not sure you can go in the balcony. Oh yeah, yes you can. Balcony. Oh, you get the night bazar from balcony, and that's Festival Mall. That's the Festival Mall. The Bayview Hotel. Yeah, that's pretty much. Yeah, it's very close to Sai Second Road, Night Bazaar, and Central Festival Mall, and beach. I think 4 or 5 minutes walk from here. Pretty decent sized balcony. like you can wash your clothes and just dry outside. Yeah, so that's pretty much about the room. I think they have swimming pool, and I need to check what other facilities they have. I'm sure they have a swimming pool. Let's check it out. Swimming pool. So from story 8, you need to actually walk all the way to sorry, level 8. You need to walk all the way to level 9 to get that swimming pool. I will not show you that. They got a gym in here open. What time? 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. It's the smallest gym you can see. It's like treadmill, cycle, bench, and weight. Let's see the gym. No, sorry. Let's see the swimming pool. Swimming pool open 9 a.m. to I don't know what time. So here you go. Swimming pool. They have a bar. There's lounge here. It's actually pretty cool. There's two different separate swimming pool. One is the smaller one, and one is the bigger one. And you can see the beach from the rooftop. Pretty good. It's not busy actually. I don't think many people comes in here, so it's just pretty good. I'm gonna try.